Hello friends, this is Raghav Kabra and welcome to my YouTube channel. Most of you here know me from my Instagram page rkabra84 and this video is all about the gear which I use to shoot all my astro photos. So let's get into it. Alright, so I'll start with the most cheapest equipment, but the most important and the most effective is the interval meter right here. And this is really important as it has many benefits. It will allow you to shoot exposures longer than 30 seconds in bulb mode, and you can operate the camera without touching the camera, so it will eliminate the excess shakes and all which you have, which is really important in astrophotography as you do not want to shake the camera or change the frame in any way between the shots. So I would recommend this piece of equipment for everyone, and this is really very cheap, but this piece is really important. Alright, getting on to the next piece of equipment is a tripod, and you cannot shoot long exposure without the tripod. No matter which camera and lens you have, you cannot do without it. So you really need to invest in a good tripod. But I've been using this tripod since the last 8 years and it costed me like 12,000 bucks. But it has really paid off. So I would really recommend everyone to invest in a good tripod which will last you years and which can carry the weight of your camera. The tripod which I use has a ball head which makes for very easy adjustments during the night, as it can be adjusted with just a single lock. So less time fiddling around and more time shooting. Alright folks, getting on to the juicy stuff like the camera and lens. But before that, I want to make a point really clear. In astrophotography, dark sky is the king. The gear cannot match the dark sky. You can shoot with a mobile phone in a very dark location, but even with a camera and lens, you cannot shoot in the cities. So you have to go out and you have to leave the comfort of your homes. You have to go to a dark site to shoot really good photos. So I'll make a really short video on the difference between a city sky and a dark sky, which will be out very soon. So subscribe to my channel for such videos. And how to scout for dark sky locations. We recently went on a scouting trip and I made a vlog which will be out very soon. So do subscribe to my channel for such videos. Alright, so with this nonsense all out of the way, let's get on to the main thing, which is the lens. And right here I have the Rokinon 14mm f2.8 lens. I have shot most of my photos with this single lens. This lens makes for really good photos as the focal length is ideal and it has a maximum aperture of f2.8. I've been using this lens for the past 7 years I think. This has really served me well. This lens can be a little dicey on what copy do you get. I was lucky and I got a perfect copy with minimum chromatic aberrations. It's really sharp edge to edge, so I would really recommend a Rokinon lens as it's really cheap. It's full manual lens as you don't need really autofocus in astrophotography. The second lens which I use is the Sony G Master 24-70 f2.8. It's a fantastic lens which I am shooting right now on. It's really great at edge to edge sharpness and no chromatic aberration whatsoever, and that's a fantastic lens. It's a bit expensive, but it's really worth the money. You can do astro with your kit lenses also, but just remember you need to get to dark skies. Kit lenses are fine, you just need a wide angle lens. Mobile phones also work really well, but you need to get to dark skies. I cannot stress this point enough, but you really need dark skies for excellent results. Alright, getting on to the main stuff, the camera. And I think I started my journey into photography on a Nikon system. It was I think a D7000 and I got it some 8-10 years back. And one of my most favorite image actually has been shot on the D7000 system, which was a crop sensor. Now I have moved on to a Sony full frame mirrorless. I think the first one was A7 II and right now I am on A7R Mark III, which the video has been shot on. Alright folks, this is it for the camera and the gear which I use and the accessories. I'll link everything down below in the description box. And do watch my last video which was all about the Milky Way. And I'll be posting a vlog soon on how to do scouting for dark skies. Please leave comments and suggestions on what more do you want on this channel, and subscribe and stay tuned for more videos.